Hey, hi friends, welcome back to the our channel. In this video, I will just show you this how you use this MAX100 sensor with ESP32 microcontroller board. And we publish this data in Blink app. Is publish this heart rate data and the SpO2 level, and also display in this 16 by 2 LCD display. If you not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification first. I will publish this more than 200 video in my YouTube channel, and I will publish this article in our website www.justdoelectronics.com.
Just do electronics. All about electronics.
Is required this few component like ESP32 microcontroller board, 16 by 2 LCD display with I2C model, MAX30100 sensor, and 0 PCB. Let's see this circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, I use this ESP32 microcontroller board, and I use this MAX30100 sensor is measuring this heart rate and the SpO2 level is used in this medical field, and they work on this I2C protocol. I2C means is work only 4 wire SCL pin, SDA pin, VCC and ground. SCL will be connected to this pin number D22. SDA will be connected to this pin number D21. VCC will be connected to this 5 volt VIN pin or 3.3 volt. Ground will be connected to this ground. Okay, setup of this Blink app. Now you just log in this Blink app, create this developer zone and go to this web dashboard. I'm measuring this two data, that's why I just choose this 2 gauge. Go to this setting, edit this gauge name is heart rate. Go to this create data stream, use virtual pin, choose virtual pin and set this maximum value is required to this 200 0 to 200. Okay, now go to this second case and edit this name is the SpO2. Go to this data stream, choose this virtual pin and maximum value I put this 100. If you want then you choose this 200 also. Now save it, go to this device, save and apply it, and go to this device, go to this IoT app and go to this device information. Just copy this ID and paste in your code. Okay, now I explain this code. First you use this few library, that's why I mean this I2C library or MAX100 Pulse Oximeter library. Put this proper authentic key and username, this hotspot username and password. This one is the void setup function. I defining this input and output devices. Now go to this void loop and Pulse Oximeter will be updated in this few seconds. First we take this reading and display in this real monitor, and then will be display in this LCD, and also as display this Blink app. Okay, now go to this tools, select this proper board, go to this tools again, select this proper port and hit this uploading button. Now after the few seconds the code will be processing to uploading. See, the process will be start and the code will be uploaded in this ESP32 microcontroller board. Okay, now see this working of this project. When I put my hand to this near of this this touch of this MX100 sensor is measuring this proper heart rate and the SpO2 level. See, heart rate is the 44 or SpO2 level is 94. Now test with this Blink app. I put this my finger to this MX100 sensor, and after the few seconds is take this reading and is display this proper reading in Blink app. Okay, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit this bell icon to get notification first. Okay, if you not follow in my GitHub account, then please go through and follow it. I will publish this proper code in my GitHub account. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.